Actually pretty funny, it doesn't even come with a filter. Go figure. I'm going to show you how to change the filter. This is a Nissan NV2500 2016. So this is the glove compartment case. So all the screws come out of here. This is of course the drawer. You pull the drawer out just by bending these two tabs together. So these two things you're going to bend in, and then you're going to pull that out, and then you're going to be able to access this, unscrew it, and here you can see where the filter is. This is a little filter. Just going to unhook these. For our filter replacement today, we're using this reusable filter. It's washable. It is quite on the pricey side, but I think the fact that it's reusable and washable, it's actually a really good material. Has that really nice new car smell. So that's why we're going to go ahead and use this puppy. So you can see we basically just put it in here, this side down, and then we're going to pop the cover back on. You can see to put it back, we're just going to insert those clips in over here. Push that in. I'm going to come up, and you can see we're going to have the same. Let's just squeeze these two. Putting it in is a lot easier than taking it out, though. And that's it. You're all set.